Defender 90 D250S, but just take a look at it. Finished in Woolstone Green. It's a 26 registration. It's only done 325 miles, so it's pretty much brand new. It's then been fully exterior styled. The colour is absolutely beautiful anyway, but it's then been fully exterior styled. Bonnet inserts, Canards, upgraded DRLs, wide arches, pod lights, wheels. It has the look that everybody wants. Now, because of the way that this car's been purchased, it is also VAT qualifying, so that will appeal to some of you out there. But it's a 5-seater Defender 90 D250S with 3 years remaining rights manufacturer's warranty, 3 years roadside assistance. It's in pretty much brand new condition, but what a great looking car this is. Wide arches, 22-inch wheels, red brake calipers, and we have had one in similar in the past, and from memory I think it lasted hours. Now let me show you the rear seats, because yes, it is a 90 in the shorter wheelbase, but they're still a very spacious car, these. And to be fair, a lot of people prefer them just because they find them a little bit easier to get around town centres and whatnot. So these are a great car. 26 registration means it's a 26 model year, so new wireless charger, larger media screen. It's also got from factory an electronic deployable Towbar. Rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover. So if you are someone who's looking for a very unique looking 90 in the way that it looks very aggressive, but then you need some factory spec like deployable Towbar, and obviously that new model year 26 gives you some new features as well. That comes out in seconds, but financially, to go and get one of those fitted after you have purchased a Defender, it's about £3,500 for the part alone. And obviously the Defenders are still a very difficult car to get from Land Rover, and you wouldn't be able to get one that looks like this anyway. Side steps, front and rear mud flaps, and then you've got a massive amount of spec as standard. I say this in a lot of my Defender videos, because if you have a look at similar brands of like Audi, Mercedes, BMW, there's features that are standard on Land Rover that would definitely be parts of packs. Things like 360 cameras, adaptive cruise, the larger media displays, but they're just standard. You've also got this new driver interface. It has done 352 miles, sorry to be precise. Heated seats, 360 camera comes up on this huge screen. Just a second, there we go. Off-road, there's even a towing specific mode if you're a little bit unsure when it comes to towing. Everything else is controlled from there as well. Navigation, media, telephone, Apple CarPlay, storage, wireless charger, which I mentioned earlier, but it is literally brand new. It smells brand new, the condition is brand new. It's just a perfect car for someone who's looking for a Woolstone Green Defender 90 that's been then exterior style, because these are a great looking car. If you're interested, I know we say this in our videos, but we mean it. If you're interested, please don't hesitate and leave it a couple of days and think you'll give us a ring, because the car just simply won't be here when you choose to give us a call. So if you do want to have a chat about buying it, you give me a call on my mobile number. The price does include VAT, so if you have the option to claim any VAT back, then that will benefit you moving forward. But the vehicle is ready here and ready to go now. A lot of Defenders out there will be 6 weeks, 6 months, even further down the line. So if you're interested, give me a call, and I look forward to speaking to you.